Hi students, 12th standard Computer Science Chapter 6 Python Control Structures. So before we enter into the topic, last class we studied what is variables and operators and what are the data types we are going to use and what is the use of input function and output function. So today we are going to learn about what is control structure and what are the types we are going to use. Now let us start with a simple introduction. What is control structure? Okay. Now, so programs. So program contain a set of statements. So program means it is a set of instruction. Then these statements are called executable segments. So these statements are called executable segments. Statements are executed sequentially. Here sequentially means one after another. In some situations in our real life programming, we need to skip a segment or set of statement and execute another statement, that is called iteration, branching or alternate. So next, if we need to execute a set of statement multiple times means that is called iteration or looping. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to develop the Python program and what are the syntax we are going to follow and everything. So now, what is control structure? So here, control structure means a program statements that causes a jump control from one part of program to another. So just it skip one part of program to another program. Already we learned in C++, these control statements are compound statements. It is used to alter the control flow of the process or program depending on the state of process. So it has three types, that is first one is sequential, second alternative, and third one is iterative. So sequential, alternative or branching, and iterative or looping. Now we'll study one by one. The first one is sequential. Here sequential means it executes a statement one after another. So it prints the value one after another. For example, a code to print name, marks or welcome message, everything. So for example, print welcome. So already we studied what is the use of print function. It is used to print the value, to display the result on a monitor. So here it print the value welcome message. So the output of this program is welcome and next one is hello. So what is the use of sequential means? Sequential statement is used to display the result one after another. The second one is alternative or branching. In our day-to-day life, we need to take a various decision and choose an alternative method to achieve our goal. So maybe we would have taken an alternative route to reach our destination. So this type of decision making what we learn through alternative or branching statement. So here just we are going to check the condition. So check condition, based on a condition it produces the result. So it has three types. One is simple if, another one is if else, and last one is if elif. So now let us study one by one. So what is the meaning of, what is the use of simple if? Simple if. So simple if is the simplest of all decision making statements. So condition should be in the form of relational or logical expression. The syntax of simple if is if condition 1. So, now let us see the one simple example program for simple if. So, this is to check the age and print whether eligible for voting. So, here we are going to use only one variable, that is for age, then int input of enter your age. So, here this is called prompt string. So, here prompt string means it gives a message. For example, we know that just we need to enter our age. Next, to check the condition, if x greater than or equal to 18. So, here just I am going to check the given age is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, it print you are eligible message. For example, if the condition is false, it display the prompt string. So, okay. So, just we enter the age, it will check with the condition. If the condition is true, it display the message you are eligible. Then, if the condition is false, it comes out. Next, if-else statement. So, what is the use of if-else statement means? It checks the true block as well as the false block. So, for example, so syntax of this program, syntax of if-else, if the condition is true, it execute true block, that is statement 1. Else, here else means R, that is next we are going to process a false block. The condition is false, it produces the result, statement 2. Now, let us see the example for if-else statement. We are going to use to find the order even number. So, just we are going to check order even number. So, before we are going to start, we should know the statement execution. So, how it execute the statement. So, this is entry part. Then it checks the condition. It check with the condition. If the condition is true, it execute statement 1. This is true part. The condition is false, it execute statement 2. Then finally it execute the result. Now, so example for if else. Just I am going to check the given number is odd or even number. So, odd or even. How to check the odd or even number? If the given number is divided by 2, it produces the remainder 0, that is called even number. For example, if I give 24 divided by 2, 12, 24, the remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, it displays the result, it is even number. So, now just I am going to give only one variable, that is a, int input enter the number. Now, condition, if a divided by modulus operator. For division, why here we used modulus operator means it displays the remainder result. Okay, so just it produces the result of remainder. So a divided by 2, if the condition is true, then a divided by 2, what a remainder, and check with the remainder 0. If the condition is true, it produces print even number. Else means false part. Okay, so else it print odd number. So if we give the number will check with the condition. If the given condition is true, it produce result even number. In case if the condition is false, it displays the result of the given number is odd number. Next, an alternative method to rewrite a if-else program. The syntax is, this is the another method for if-else syntax. So syntax variable equal to variable 1. Then check with the condition, if condition else variable 2. So this is alternative method of if-else statement. It checks with the condition. If the condition is true, it print true block. If the condition is false, it display false block. Already we studied. Can you remember, students? Very good. So this is the another method of conditional operator. So what is conditional operator? Check the condition. Condition true means it display the true block, and condition false means it produce the false block. Okay. Now we'll write one simple example for this method. Input, enter the number, then x even. Same program, last if else we studied odd or even, the same program, but we are going to use this method. Even if a divided by 2 equal to 0, else odd. So now it check with the condition. If the condition is true, it produce the result of true block. If the condition is false, it display the result of false block. So this is the another method for just a replacement of if-else statement. So dear students, I hope you all are understand this concept. So today we learned what is control structure and what is sequential and alternative or branching statement. We will continue with the next class. Thank you, students.